Everybody grab your glasses. There we go. Okay.
Narito ang mga ganap sa lunch party sa pinakabagong collection ni Bea Alonzo na ang Peach Fuzz, design para sa travel essential.
Queen Bee, Bea Alonzo in the house.
Pinaliwanag ng founder na si Bea Alonzo ang kahalagahan ng kanyang pinakabagong collection item.
Change how travelers, travel and go out of the country and pack their clothes. Because we believe that every journey can,
Napakasipag naman itong si Bea. Bukod sa kanyang bagong teleserye at TV commercial, mayroon pa itong bagong produkto.
No, I'll give them a background. Yes. So less than a year ago, in November, Bea, Brina, and I embarked on a journey with Bash with the ambition to...
Super ganda pa ang kanyang mga designs sa bagong collection.
With this, it should be seamless, So we have crafted, a collection of travel essentials that unite practicality, affordability, and style from our...
Ayon sa actress, ang kanyang commitment sa kanyang bagong collection to give every traveler comfortable journey.
First to our Willow collection, our commitment is to really give every traveler a very comfortable journey.
At ang ganda naman at kaakit-akit ang kulay ng kanyang bagong collection.
Our Willow collection.
It's everywhere, yeah, here.
The Peach Fuzz collection.
Fuzz. Look at that.
Yes. I'm going to model it for all of you.
Dumalo rin sa party ang TV host actress na si Vice Ganda. Narito ang kanilang photoshoot kasama ni Bea.
One more, 2 and 3. Iconic! Good, one more, 2, 3, last one! Yeah!
At dumalo rin sina Dr. Ivy Aguilar at ang kanyang asawa at ang pinakamahusay na aktor na si Coco Martin. Narito ang video clips ng local celebrities na malapit kay Bea Alonzo. Super saya naman at successful ang lunch party sa bagong collection ng actress na si Bea. Congratulations Bea Alonzo sa iyong pinakabagong collections at sa lahat na blessings.